Hello and welcome to IT-BS Media. In this tutorial we want to talk about how to create a table in mysql in Ubuntu and how to back up the table. Well, actually in this particular video we'll be focusing on creating the table and populating the table. Maybe in the next video we will focus on how to back up the table using cron job as cron tag. So you can look for the next video on that if you're interested in the backup, how to schedule a backup. Okay, let's bring up our mysql server. So mysql user is root and password. So let's put the password in. Okay, MySQL is up and running. Let's see what databases we have. Show databases. These are the databases we have. We have information underscore schema. We have my events that we created in the last video, and we have MySQL that came with the installation by default, and the performance underscore schema a default database. Now we want to start the creation of the table, but we need to specify which of these databases we want to use. So we want to use my events. So we say use my events. Okay, it's ready for us now, so we can go ahead, create table. Let's call it summer events. The first thing we want is the event ID. Event ID. That will be int, as the data type will be int, and this will be not null. Not null. Null. And we have event description. Event description, and the data type we use is varchar, and let's say 75, maximum of 75 characters. If we like, we can make it not null as well. That means when we are populating the table, something has to be filled into the field. But if it's not necessary, we are not mandating entry into that field, then we move on to the next field. The next field will be event date. And the data type will be date, and that will be not null. We need to know the date of the event. Then we need a coordinator for the event. So if there's anything that we need to know, we can always contact the coordinator. So we have coordinator ID. Let's make that varchar, and then 30. That should be okay. Okay, so let's close and So we have successfully created the table.